Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be fitting the fairing onto the ZX6R. Everything's finally come in, so that's always nice. Got a nice full box of stuff there. That's just arrived. It took a ridiculous amount of time, about 12 weeks for it to arrive. So a lot of waiting around, waiting for that to come in. But yeah, that's been the biggest drawback of the project so far. So yeah, just go ahead and start fitting the fairing. Show you it's all on. We're doing all the last final screws up. You can see the holes have lined up perfectly on the mirror mount, so I'll be putting those on next just to hold everything in place. But yeah, slowly starting to look like a motorbike again.
Like that, I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up. Live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, I'll live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
So guys, we're coming to the end of another video. Slowly getting there. Got some of the fairing on to the bike now. We've come across a bit of an issue with the main beam not coming on. So I've actually found out that the wiring that came on the headlights was actually incorrectly wired, and I think it's actually blown the relay box, which is back under here, under the seat unit. So that's going to have to come off again. So I'm going to stop this video here for now, and yeah, see if we can figure out this electrical issue. Catch you in the next one.